Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of crypto trading bots with a head-to-head comparison between BullX versus BullX Neo. If you're looking to automate your trades and potentially boost your profits, this video is for you. Let's start with the original BullX. This trading bot has been a popular choice for many crypto traders, and here's a quick rundown of its key features. First would be automated trading strategies, backtesting capabilities, integration with popular exchanges, and user-friendly interface. BullX has proven to be a reliable tool for many traders, but it's not without its limitations. Now BullX Neo. This upgraded version aims to address some of the shortcomings of its predecessor. Let's explore its key enhancement: enhanced AI and machine learning algorithms, improved backtesting accuracy, more advanced trading strategies, multi-coin trading support, and enhanced security features. BullX Neo promises a more sophisticated and potentially more profitable trading experience. So which one should you choose? It depends on your individual needs and trading styles. BullX is ideal for beginners. It is simple and easy to use, and it has limited strategy options. While BullX Neo is suitable for experienced traders, powerful and feature-rich, and potentially higher risk or reward. Consider your budget, risk tolerance, and trading goals carefully before making a decision. If you want to try out BullX as your trading bot, go ahead and check out the link on the description box and click on that to immediately get redirected to BullX on Telegram. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of the difference between BullX and BullX Neo. Let me know in the comments which bot you think is right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto content.